Welcome to IGCSE O-Level Biology Chapter 12 Respiration.
Describe the similarities and differences between anaerobic respiration in yeast and aerobic respiration in humans.
Similarities. Both use glucose. Both release energy. Both produce carbon dioxide. Differences. Anaerobic respiration in yeast does not require oxygen. Aerobic respiration in humans requires oxygen. Anaerobic respiration releases less energy per glucose molecule. Yeast anaerobic respiration produces ethanol. Human aerobic respiration produces water.
Explain why blood flow to the heart muscle increases when a person exercises.
The heart muscle needs more energy, ATP, during exercise. It must contract more frequently and more forcefully. Increased respiration in the heart muscle requires more oxygen and glucose. Therefore, more blood flow is needed to supply these materials and remove waste.
State the word equation for aerobic respiration.
Glucose plus oxygen gives carbon dioxide plus water.
Describe the process that produces the carbon dioxide that is excreted by the lungs.
Carbon dioxide is produced during respiration. Aerobic respiration uses oxygen to break down glucose for energy. This process releases carbon dioxide as a waste product.
Outline how the body removes an oxygen debt.
Breathing rate stays high to bring in more oxygen. Heart rate stays high to deliver oxygen to the muscles. Oxygen is used to break down lactic acid. Lactic acid is aerobically respired to form carbon dioxide and water. Lactic acid is also broken down in the liver.
State the word equation for anaerobic respiration in yeast.
Glucose gives alcohol, ethanol, plus carbon dioxide.
State ways humans use anaerobic respiration in yeast to make useful products.
Bread making, producing alcohol, ethanol, making biofuels.
Describe how ethanol can be made by microorganisms.
Yeast carries out anaerobic respiration, fermentation. During this process, yeast converts glucose into ethanol and carbon dioxide.
Describe the role of the liver in the recovery from oxygen debt after strenuous exercise.
During strenuous exercise, lactic acid is produced in the muscles by anaerobic respiration. The liver absorbs lactic acid from the blood. It then breaks down, oxidizes lactic acid using oxygen. Lactic acid is converted into carbon dioxide and water by aerobic respiration.
State 2 ways that anaerobic respiration in a yeast cell differs from that of a muscle cell.
Yeast produces carbon dioxide, muscle cells do not. Yeast produces alcohol, ethanol, muscle cells produce lactic acid.
Define the term anaerobic respiration.
Anaerobic respiration is the chemical breakdown of nutrient molecules to release energy without using oxygen.
Suggest why it is beneficial for a long-distance athlete to respire aerobically rather than anaerobically.
Aerobic respiration releases more energy per glucose molecule. This allows the athlete to run faster and further. It also reduces fatigue compared to anaerobic respiration.
Describe how lactic acid is processed in the liver.
Lactic acid is processed aerobically, using oxygen. It is broken down by enzymes during respiration. Lactic acid is converted into carbon dioxide and water, or back into glucose.